Everyone, and welcome to break 2683 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. And again, it's Saturday, July 11th, 2020. It's 10:32 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:32 p.m. Central Time, and 7:32 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Robbie Light with 6 spots, Cirque Fanatic 1, CRLE with 3, Matzabol 3, CR Mag 1, Cameron 1, Mike Will 2, Kenneth 3, Cross Twain 3, Tim with 2, Detour 2, JM 3, and Rob with 1 spot. Now we're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. Robbie Light's on top, Rob on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Robbie Light on top, Tim on the bottom. Robbie Light with the Ducks, Cross Twin Coyotes, Matzabol Bruins, Robbie Light Sabres Flames, Kenneth Hurricanes Blackhawks, CRLE with the Avalanche, Kenneth Blue Jackets, Cirque Fanatic Stars, Detour Red Wings, CRLE with the Oilers, JM with the Panthers, Matzabol Kings, Detour Wild, Mike Will Canadians, JM Predators, CR Mag Devils, Tim Islanders, Cross Twain Rangers, Robbie Light Senators, Cross Twain with the Flyers, Robbie Light Penguins, JM Blues, Mike Will Sharks, Cameron Lightning, Robbie Light with the Leafs, CRLE with the Canucks, Rob with the Golden Knights, Matzabol Capitals, and last but not least, Tim with the Winnipeg Jets. All sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. And who do we have here? We have John Gibson, 84 out of 999. Future Watch Auto for the Anaheim Ducks. Congrats to the Ducks. Who has Anaheim? Right on top, Robbie Light. Congrats, Robbie Light. That was break 2683 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then we're on to break 2730, which will be the basketball limited edition. Thanks.